In this video, I'm going to share 3 steps to take when investing your first €100 as a beginner investor in Ireland. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what you need to do in order to take that first €100 and set yourself up for long-term investment success. That includes the best investing apps to use and even the best investments to make as a beginner. Step 1 is to pick a broker. But what is a broker? Nowadays, the word broker commonly refers to brokerage platforms, which are simply mobile and web apps offered to investors by online brokers in order to enable you to invest in a wide range of global financial assets and to allow you to monitor the performance of your investments over time. Just like how you have apps like Netflix and Prime for watching TV and movies, Instagram and Twitter for social networking, you also have dedicated apps for investing. And you'll need to pick one, or in some cases many of these apps, in order to get started on your own investing journey. So how do you go about choosing an app to invest with, and how do you know which app is the best for you? It's very important to get this right. Why? Because different apps are good at different things, and as you might expect, certain apps excel at certain aspects of investing much more than others. Generally speaking, when picking a brokerage platform to invest with, you're ideally looking for the platform or platforms that A, allow you to access the exact financial assets that you want to invest in, and B, offer you that access to those assets at the lowest price relative to other options. And by the lowest price, I'm referring to the fees and charges levied by the broker, if any, not the price of the financial asset in question. Now, as an Irish investor, you're only concerned with the online brokers that are operational in Ireland. Certain online brokers are only available to individuals living in certain parts of the world. For example, US investors having access to the Robinhood investing platform. It's not available in Ireland. While there are a number of online brokers to choose from in Ireland, as of recording this video, the 2 best platforms for beginners in my opinion are Trade Republic and Trading 212. And there's a couple of reasons as to why this is. Firstly, both of these platforms allow you to invest with little or no fees and charges. Minimizing the amount of fees and charges that you pay to invest is incredibly important. So important that it was one of the main pieces of advice given by Benjamin Graham, author of the 1949 investing classic, The Intelligent Investor, and mentor to Warren Buffett himself, the most well-known investor of all time. The more fees and charges you pay to invest, the lower your investment returns will be. And there's lots of research out there which shows that over 20 plus years, paying a seemingly small percentage worth of fees and charges each year can produce an investment portfolio that's worth tens of thousands of euros less as a result. Different online brokers will operate their fee schedule in different ways, with some brokers charging you very little, while other brokers charge you a lot. You can simply Google the name of a particular online broker followed by fees to find out more information on the fees and charges levied by that particular broker. For example, the online broker DeGiro charges a flat commission and handling charge on each buy and sell transaction that you make, with this charge varying from between €1 and €3 per trade. But they also have other costs like a 0.25% currency conversion fee when moving between euros and other currencies like GBP or USD, as well as a stock exchange connectivity fee based on the exchanges that you use in a given year. The latter being quite a niche fee that's unique to this particular broker, highlighting the importance of doing your research. Other online brokers like BookZero charge you a monthly fee for simply having an account, which is definitely not something that you want to be seeing. So the reason why I like Trade Republic and Trading 212 is because they charge very little fees. Trade Republic charges a simple and low fee of €1 per transaction, which can actually be avoided entirely if you decide to set up automatic investing via their savings plan functionality, therefore allowing you to invest for free. With Trading 212, there are no fees for investing aside from a 0.15% currency conversion charge when moving between euros and other currencies. TLDR, both of these options have fee schedules that are low cost and easy to understand. Exactly what you want to be seeing as a beginner investor. Secondly, both Trade Republic and Trading 212 are very safe. safe. Trade Republic is regulated by BaFin in Germany, and all cash held on Trade Republic is legally protected up to 100 grand per investor under the deposit guarantee scheme, the same as you get with the likes of AIB, Bank of Ireland and PTSB. Furthermore, under the EU investor compensation scheme, compensation up to 90% of an investor's loss, subject to a maximum of 20 grand, can be claimed in the highly unlikely event that a loss is sustained from the failure of a financial services firm like Trade Republic. Trading 212 is a little different, as both deposits and investments are covered up to €20,000 under the EU investor compensation scheme. However, Trading 212 also currently has an insurance policy which provides additional coverage to investors up to €1 million. Thirdly, both Trade Republic and Trading 212 have some of the best and widest selection of financial assets available to Irish investors. What you'll come to find is that not all financial assets are available on every brokerage platform. This can result in a scenario where you can't make the investment that you want to make because your broker doesn't offer access to that particular asset. This is particularly common when it comes to exchange traded funds or ETFs, which we'll talk more about later. Not being able to invest in the most competitive ETFs simply because your broker doesn't offer them isn't an ideal scenario at all. And so you want to ensure that whatever broker you choose offers access to the assets that you want to invest in. In my experience, both Trade Republic and Trading 212 offer access to the most competitive of global ETFs, which is going to be very important to your long-term investment success. Plus, both Trade Republic and Trading 212 have very user-intuitive applications which have effectively been designed for beginners. Both platforms also allow you to invest with as little as €1, which makes investing highly accessible to all persons, no matter what your investing budget may be. Finally, not only are Trade Republic and Trading 212 two of the best investing platforms for beginners, they're also two of the most competitive savings account options in Ireland as of recording this video. With Trade Republic, you can earn 3.75% interest on your cash deposits up to a maximum balance of €50,000. With Trading 212, you can earn 4.2% interest on your cash deposits with no maximum balance. Now, due to the differences in the way that interest is taxed between Trade Republic and Trading 212, based on the rates currently on offer, it makes sense to deposit up to €50,000 with Trade Republic and to then utilize Trading 212 for any excess cash deposits. Again, that's only for those looking to save and earn interest, as opposed to those looking to invest and earn investment returns. But it's very convenient to have the option to do both with either of these platforms. You might be wondering whether it makes sense to have more than one investing platform, and the simple answer is yes, and for two main reasons. Firstly, spreading your investments and deposits out between multiple online brokers means more coverage under European protection schemes like the deposit guarantee scheme and the investor compensation scheme. This means that more of your money is guaranteed to be protected in the highly unlikely event of a financial institution's failure. Secondly, the more online brokerage accounts you have, the more options you have, more assets to invest in, more investing tools and educational resources, and most importantly, more flexibility and choice around fees and charges. Given that it's totally free to sign up for an account with both Trade Republic and Trading 212, there is no harm having both of them ready to go and at your disposal. So if after watching this video, you do want to try out Trade Republic and Trading 212 for yourself, you can do so for free by clicking the links in the video description and comment section below. Using these links as opposed to downloading in the App Store supports me as a creator and lets me know that you found this video to be useful. With that being said, when you're set up with your online broker, step 2 is to make your first investment. And this is typically where most people tend to get overwhelmed, because how are you meant to know what to invest in as a beginner? Fortunately, provided you're of the mindset that you want to invest and stay invested for multiple decades, there is one type of investment that, based on historical evidence, is the best choice for beginners, and frankly for 99.9% of the general investing population. I'm of course referring to exchange traded funds or ETFs, which track a major stock market index, commonly referred to as index funds. An index fund is an investment product that allows you to own hundreds, if not thousands, of financial assets all at once. In other words, you can own little pieces of lots of different companies from different countries around the world. This reduces the likelihood that your investment will suffer a a major loss, given that your money is being spread across lots of different companies from different industries and different geographies. That's called diversification. Historical data shows that over long periods of time, index funds are the single best way to invest your money. And that's true in the US, in Europe, in Australia, and all around the world. What's great about investing in index funds is that it requires virtually no ongoing research or time commitment on your part. So you can spend more time doing the things that matter most to you. Take it from me as someone who is actually interested in finance as a profession. The last thing that I want to do is spend all of my free time researching an endless number of potential investments. No, I want to pick something simple, quickly, that I know will perform well over the long term, and I want to put my investments on autopilot, walk away for 20 years, and come back to see the results. That's the goal. Both Trade Republic and Trading 212 allow you to set up automatic investments into exchange-traded index funds with as little as €1. So you can literally own a piece, albeit a very small piece, of hundreds or thousands of companies with just a single €1 investment. So the question then changes from what do I invest in to what index fund do I invest in? Broadly speaking, the four most popular regions covered by index funds are the United States, Europe, the emerging markets, and all world. What's most important to understand is that there are measurement tools called indexes, which effectively measure the performance of a certain segment of the global stock market. So, for example, the S&P 500 index measures the stock performance of the 500 largest companies in the United States. So, by investing in an S&P 500 index fund, you're investing in those 500 US companies. Likewise, there are indexes which measure the stock performance of European companies, companies in the emerging markets, and companies globally. Therefore, by investing in the corresponding index fund of a particular index, you're actually investing in the companies which make up that index. Now, the simplest strategy would be to just pick an all-world index fund and walk away. By doing so, you'd essentially be making one single cost-effective investment in the global stock market, and it doesn't really get any easier than that. However, many investors actually prefer to own one index fund for the US, one for Europe, and one for the emerging markets, thereby allowing you to decide how much you want to allocate to each region on the fly. Whereas with an all-world index fund, you're bound to the allocation weightings of the underlying index. Regardless, I have 4 videos covering some of the best exchange-traded index funds for each region, which I'll leave linked in the video description below. Check them out after this one if you want some ideas for ETFs that could be the best fit for you, as well as the platforms that those ETFs are available on and how to find them on the platform. Once you've selected your ETFs, the final step is to simply invest. While it is possible to invest with as little as €1, and while you might be starting out with just €100, the key here is to invest as much as you can, as often as you can. Increasing the size of your investment over time as either your income rises or your expenses fall is crucially important to sustainable financial independence. With index fund investing, the secret to success is consistency. Stay invested and keep investing for the long term throughout both the highs and the lows. In fact, putting your investments on autopilot and walking away, only coming back to change your investment size, is perhaps the best strategy you can implement. And again, you can execute that strategy with both Trade Republic and Trading 212. But let me know, are you planning on getting started with investing in 2024? If so, what are you thinking of investing in? If you've already started investing, let us know what platform you've been using and how it's been working out for you so far. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.